Panchabhuta or Panchamahabhuta, also called five great elements, and Panchatattva is a group of five basic elements which, according to Hinduism, is the basis of all cosmic creation. In Ayurveda and Indian philosophy, the human body is considered to be made of these five elements. These elements are Prithvi or earth, Varuna or water, Agni or fire, Vayu or air, Akasha or space. All of the creation is made up of these five elements in different proportions: 72% of water, 12% of earth, 6% of air, 4% of fire, and the rest is space. Usually, the percentages of first four elements remain constant, but the percentage of space can be enhanced. Each element is responsible for different structures in the body. Earth forms solid structures such as teeth, nails, bones, muscles, skin, tissues, and hair. These give structure and strength to the body. Water forms saliva, urine, semen, blood, and sweat. Fire forms hunger, thirst, sleep, the vision in the eyes, and complexion of the skin. Air is responsible for all movement, including expansion, contraction, vibration, and suppression. Space is the most subtle of all elements and is present in the hollow cavities of the body in the form of radio frequencies, light radiation, cosmic rays, etc. According to Ayurveda and Yoga, Panchabhuta is associated with overall health of a human being. Any disorder in human body indicates imbalance of one or more of these elements. When these elements are out of balance in our body, it results in disease and suffering. Practicing yoga asanas and pranayama purify these elements and restore balance and good health. How these five elements govern our moods and characteristics. Earth keeps us calm, ego in check, and the energy of bones, muscles, tissues, and heart illnesses such as infection. Water provides the ability to adapt, flow, act selflessly, and avoid unhealthy attachments, rules our blood, other bodily fluids, and cold illnesses such as joint pain. Fire brings confidence and courage, the energy of metabolism, drive and creativity, and excess can present as anger or hatred. Air, a channel for clear communication and self-expression, influences our ability to act from a place of compassion and love. Space, a container for all the other elements, the source of intuition and wisdom from the universe, associated with expansion. How these five elements are related to the five sense organs. We can smell the geosmin, which is the smell of the earth. As earth is associated with smell, it is related to the sense organ for smell, that is nose. When we drink a liquid, it has its own taste. As the water is associated with taste, it is related to the sense organ for taste, that is tongue. We can see the flames of the fire. As the fire is associated with sight, it is related to the sense organ for sight, that is eye. When the wind blows, we can feel it. As the wind is associated with touch, it is related to the sense organ for touch, that is skin. We can hear the sound of the space. As space is associated with the sound, it is related to the sense organ for hearing, that is ear. How these five elements are related to the seven chakras. As earth is characteristic with stability and support, it is related to Muladhara chakra. As water is characteristic with joy and well-being, it is related to Swadhisthana chakra. As fire is characteristic with wisdom and power, it is related to Manipura chakra. As wind is characteristic with compassion, it is related to Anahata chakra. As space is characteristic with trust, knowledge, intuition, dignity, and oneness. It is related to Vishuddha Chakra, Ajna Chakra, and Sahasrara Chakra. How these five elements are related to the five directions. As space is characteristic with expansion and enhancement, it is related to the east direction. As wind is characteristic with movements, joy, and happiness, it is related to the north direction. As fire is characteristic with power, confidence, and fame, it is related to the south direction. As water is characteristic with spirituality, ideas, thoughts, and healing, it is related to the west direction. As earth is characteristic with stability, peace, and harmony, it is related to the center and diagonal directions. Therefore, there is maximum open space in the north and east sides of the plot, satisfying Vayu and Akasha. The main gate, the veranda, and the main door are in the northeast of the house. South of the veranda, the main living room, and south of that, one or two bedrooms. The kitchen is placed in the southeast corner of the house to balance Akasha and Agni. Our diet and weather contribute to these elements. That's where the science of Ayurveda helps us. Consuming food with cooling properties like earths in summers is beneficial. Same way, in winters, it's good to eat hot, spicy food to increase fire in our body to keep our body warm. It's difficult to cover five elements and doshas in one article.